Hello everyone, this is Marcus and I'm an intern at ClioVis, and today I want to show you how to incorporate or add ClioVis into the learning management system of your preference. In this example we're working with Canvas, which is a very familiar learning management system across many campuses here in the US. And in order to add ClioVis to the web page of your course, like the one you're seeing right now on screen, it's pretty simple. Just go down to this section, UT Canvas apps. Obviously, if you're affiliated to another university, this option might sound different, but it should be something similar to this. And then you click right there, and this link is going to take us to the UT Canvas App Store. And then from there, you just type ClioVis, search, and there we have it. We click on it, and then you select the course that you want to add ClioVis to. In this case, this one that we're seeing here right now, the first one. You click install, and that's it. You have installed a ClioVis module into the web page of your course. Just let's check back to see it, and you will notice that it was successfully installed here. You click here, and there you go. You have ClioVis ready to go, and you're ready to create assignments, assign them to your students, and so every timeline project that they work on will be reflected here. This video is pretty helpful, or I hope it's pretty helpful especially for instructors and professors that are gonna prepare their courses this fall. So that's it. If you if you have any questions, or if you would like to reach out to us, we can provide like free demonstrations and so on. Please do so. We're very happy and eager to help you set up ClioVis for your fall courses. And yeah, that's everything. And feel free to reach out to us if you have any further questions. Thank you.